Namaste Yogis. My topic is digestion of food. What happens when we eat food, and after that, what happens internally. So it's a very interesting topic. You will know if you are digesting food properly or not, or after applying these things, you can increase, you can improve your digestive tract. So please watch the video fully. It's going to be very informative. And I would say at the end, I will mention you one practice you can include daily in your routine and you will find the results. So I will start with a little description about digestion of food. So what happens? Very simple. Whatever we eat, after eating the food, according to Ayurveda, what Ayurveda is defining, first we make ras. Ras means plasma or fluid. From ras, the second thing, it comes rakt. Rakt is called blood. So our blood everywhere in the body which is required. So blood comes after us, after the fluid. So fluid, after that we made the blood. Ras, rakt, mas, med. Med is called after when we have our muscles, the fat. So the fat will start to come and the body will shake a proper tone, a proper structure. The fifth one, it comes asthi. Asthi means now our body will start to make the structure of bones. Then asthi, the bone marrow, they will take shape, and at the end, virya. So this is the most powerful thing in yoga. In all yogic practices, we are talking about virya, the sperm. So it creates at the end, and that's why in Ayurveda, Ramdev he mentions to practice all 8 parts of yoga. So the purpose is at the end, why are we practicing brahmacharya? So to improve, to expand the level of virya, and that's called the oj. If you can see in someone that you can see a light, the brightness on the face, and the face you can say glows. So that comes after the level of your sperm, how much the energy you have been stored, and then outcome is the reflection, you can say it's your ojas. So as my topic is the digestion. So digestion is concerned about all this process. So if we are not eating properly, if we are not eating on time, so the problems they start. And basically it's called daily lifestyle problems. Means they are concerned about what time you eat, what do you eat, how much you consume. It all comes under that category of health. So as I mentioned, I will make a structure for you, how much to eat, when to eat. If you can just manage all these things, if you can make a proper schedule of your eating habits, you can get 80% relief, total relief in the problems, in digestive problems. So this is the choice. Whatever you eat, you have your food, but the thing is, you should consume on those specific times. Because according to nature, the sun comes on its time, the moon has its own timing. So there is a cycle which is keep working. So for our body, it's the same. When we consume the food on that specific time, the food goes in, the process starts, our digestive tract, it's active, all the system supports, and what happens? We get first ras. Ras means plasma. So this is for the next level. So if we make a mistake at this level, means we are definitely doing big mistake. So you need to be very cautious about the timings. So for example, you start your food to consume when the sun is concerned with the sun. When you see the sun is there, yes, that's the time to consume food. Why? Then your digestion will be better. You can always try, you can work on this. If you eat food in the absence of sun, the problems are there. And what problems they come? The digestive tract problem. And how to stop them? As I mentioned at the end, I will show you very simple practice. You all can try, practice, bring it in your daily life. You will get a lot of relief. And that practice is very simple. Whenever you finish your food, it's very easy. What you do, if you have a block or something you can sit on, what you should do, put the block down, sit down. This is for those, if your knees are healthy. I would say if you have any specific problem, concern with your knees, so avoid this because it will take a lot of pressure on your knees. Malasana. This is basically first when you wake up in the morning, it's also practiced that time after the food. If you can sit in this position, what will happen? Your food will go directly to your tract and the intestine, they can nicely absorb all the fluids, and that matters. If you can work on that, if you can give that, if you can provide that proper alignment to your digestive tract, there is no problem. Your digestion could be strong, it could be better. Now, even second posture, if it is possible, you can also consume your food in this posture. Very much practical. Yoga with Adrene, you will find a lot of working on digestive tract on her platform. This is very informative that when you sit in this posture, so second posture is to kneel on the floor and you sit over the heels. This posture is called Vajrasana or Thunderbolt pose, and this posture is the main posture to keep your digestive system active, to secure it, as well to nurture it. Everything, as I mentioned, starting those 7 things after food, what happens? All of them will start to get that support. Try these 2 postures, put in your comments. How is it working? Did you find any result? Is it getting better? If not, even though right over there, I will be very happy to answer. I will be very happy to take you to the next level, how you may improve your digestive tract. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please share the video who are looking for this advice. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel so you get the videos on time. Thank you so much. Namaste.